Hi guys, this is Johnny from Giapa. Today I want to show you how to install our Giapa Gold robot properly and how to set it up correctly. Okay, I guess you guys have an MT4 Live or demo account and you are logged in. First, open the zip file you downloaded. Select the robot file and copy the robot. Now go to your MT4. Open the data folder, open MQL4 folder, go to experts and copy the robot file into here. Now you have to do the same with the indicator and the preset files. We go back. We go to our indicator, we copy this file, we go to our MT4, we go to data folder, we go to MQL4, we go to indicators, and we copy the indicator into here. Now, last time with the preset, we copy this file, we go to MT4, we go to open data folder, we go to MQ4, now we go to the presets and we copy the preset file into here. Okay, now you have added everything you need. Now we have to update our new data in the MT4. Go to the navigator and update the expert file with a right click. Go to the expert file, make a right click, go to refresh, tuck. After that you will see the Giapa Gold robot in the navigator. Now we first make sure that you can allow DLL imports, otherwise the robot will not work. To do this, go to the tools in the toolbar, go to options, go to expert advisors. Here you have to enable live trading and allow DLL imports. Here's the allow the DLL imports and allow automated trading. Next, we open the gold chart and set it to M5. Now we can drag the robot from the navigator directly into the chart. Here we first also allow the DLL imports and the live trading. Come on. Here allow the live trading and here you can allow DLL imports. Now we go to inputs and we go to load and load our preset files. We recommend to leave the settings exactly as they are for the beginning. But don't worry, at the end of the video we will tell you something about the settings. The rest here we can leave it as it is and press OK. Now the robot is installed correctly. You should now see activation expired in the upper right corner. Please do not close the MT4 and the robot now. Just leave everything as it is. Now send us your MT4 account number by email or Telegram and ask for an activation. We will activate your account as soon as possible. This can take up to 24 hours.